Now let us learn how to use a compass. First, I'll show you what a compass is. A tool something like this. Now when I hold it like this, it will not remain steady, but it is a tool where you have got indicators north, east, south and west written. Okay, and then you have got a red needle and a white needle. That is, the needle has two ends. One of the ends is red, the other end is white. Internationally, it is considered that the red needle indicates north. So once I set something at north, see, you will see wherever I get my red, I have to bring my north. That is, there is a scale like this. There is a dial like this, black. This is all black, and you have a red needle. And wherever I get my red needle pointing, okay, consider that this red is pointing to the north of the earth. Okay, so the white one will appear like this. Now, all I have to do is get my green N below over here. N will go somewhere over here. That can be done by rotating the dial. So I have north over here. Naturally, that means I have south over here. I got east over here. And I got west over here. This is the way you use a compass. But where do you use the compass? Suppose you go to any flat or to any customer or to check out a plot or something like that. Then you take this compass, okay, take this compass, go to the center of the property. This is our entire property. Maybe a parcel of land or maybe your flat. Now this is the entire flat, remember. It is not the hall of the flat. You are not going to stand at the doorstep of the flat. You are going to go to the center of the flat. That is why whenever you do Vaastu, first ask the customer to give you his plan. Based on his plan, suppose his plan is something like this. This part is cut, the kitchen is somewhere over here, whatever it is. Suppose this is the kitchen. But this is his plan. So roughly extend these lines, make it a square, and then at the center, find where you have to keep the compass. Go to that center and keep the compass. Now if the compass shows N over here, that means this is north. So you will see this line is straight. This line, this surface over here is the north. This will be the south for this plot. Okay, forget this. Okay, this will be the north, this will be the south. So naturally this will be the east and this will be the west. Is that clear? This is how you will use the compass. Ideally in Vaastu, it is said, suppose you have a property like this. Okay, then this line, magnetic line, north should go like this. Is that clear? That is, if you keep a compass, the compass should show you the needle over here. Like this. This is considered to be an ideal plot, where the entire flat is lying in line with the magnetic field. But you will see nowadays wherever we go, at least in Bombay this happens, wherever we go, what happens is we get plots like this. Suppose this is a plot or this is a flat. Okay, we get flats like this. And the magnetic needle points out. Whenever you keep, this is the center, so you keep the compass over here and the magnetic needle points like this. Alright? It will appear like this. That means the magnetic north is over here and the south is over here. Is that clear? Now this is supposed to be a plot that is not desirable, a flat that is not desirable. According to traditional Vaastu, these will give you problems. This kind of a flat will not give you a problem. This kind of a flat will give you a problem. But if you go in Bombay or any other urban city, builders build the flat according to FSI, the available land. And most of the buildings are built tilted like this. That is why we have got so much stress in our life, day-to-day life. Thank you.